Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the Wavlink. They say see the world, and this is a USB-C and it splits into two HDMI displays, and it says it takes 4K display up to maximum of 4K 60 Hertz single display, so only if you use one. PD87 was charging. So it looks like it takes power through as well. We'll have to see that. Yeah, this is the WL-UHP 510 Pro. And that's the information on the back. They also save environment by using specific materials. So let's have a quick look. Okay, so it has a little guide. And that's the adapter itself. And yes, there you have it. Power delivery of 87 watts. So you can charge your laptop through this. And it looks really nice. This is aluminium. Look how beautifully it shines. Braided cable, very thick. The port, I think it's made of aluminium as well. And that's the USB-C port. And then in here you have two HDMI ports. So now let's have a quick test and see if it works properly. Okay guys, so we have one HDMI cable. Fortunately it's a bit short. Then I have another HDMI cable from the other monitor, which will plug in there. And now we'll plug in 65 watts power under here. And then the laptop. Okay, so this is our trusty laptop. And let's just plug this in into the HDMI port. And let's see if it's charging as well. Yeah, as you can see, it's already charging my laptop. And it's picking up the displays as well. Yeah, and I can see the image on both screens. Let me show you in here. You can see already the mouse, it's somewhere else. And if we go under the display settings, you can see I have 3 displays. So 1, 2, and 3. So that's brilliant. And it already picked up the setup exactly the way I would like it. Laptop underneath the screens, and it seems to be working really well. 2 HDMI in, and goes into the laptop using this USB-C port, and is also charging the laptop, and that's exactly what we want. So thank you for watching.